Good morning. Good morning. It is Monday, August 28th. There's only a few more days left in August, which is crazy. We're in a long of ES on the bold line conservative. Also, gold range is already 1-for-1 today. NQ night was 1-for-1. Gold LIS was 3-for-3. Oil on zones is 2-for-2. And NQ LIS, which we don't run on Mondays, was 1-for-1. Cool. All right, I'm going to get on TikTok here in a minute. Let me just clear out this. All right, perfect. Green $100 on this ES long. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. I have like 24 setups running, which is crazy. Most of them, I would say half are in sim and half are live. Alright, we're live on YouTube. I'm going to post this here. Let's go. And then I'm going to get on TikTok in a second. Good morning, good morning. Please say good morning in the chat. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you did this weekend. Do you have any little ones in school? I started school today. Hot mess this morning, I'll tell you that. I'm actually really hungry. Sometimes I feel like I say that and then it will go away by the time I am done the live stream. But also the student call was really good this morning. We have our plan for the day and we're going to wait for that. We're going to be patient. Which one have we been using? The live BoldBot. Is that the one we've been using? I think so. All right, it's 9:26, so I'm a few minutes early on TikTok, but that's fine. The only trade I'm currently in is the ES conservative long, so we'll see if this is spot on at the open. I hope Jen's feeling better this week. I think she is. She still sounded like nasally even on Friday, but hopefully she's feeling better. So we'll see. I have RTY ready to go, ES ready to go, NQ ready to go. Then I have zones for ES, RTY, YM, and CL. I have the bold lines, 2 of them here, 1 on NQ, 1 on ES. And then I also have 2 scalpers set up. So I have the scalper that I'm testing, and then I have the regular scalper. And the scalper that I'm testing is a Tuesday, Thursday play only anyway. So it's probably like, I remember on Friday, I think on Friday it was red, and then like on Wednesday, it just makes sense. So I was like, okay, good. Well, that data is correct. Good morning, good morning. Let's share that live in the group. If you can copy and paste that link or just push the little share arrow at the bottom. Share. Let's click all these people. Hello, people. We're live. Good morning. It's Monday. It's Monday, August 28th. I wonder if there's a way to like select all. Like all people that follow us. Because I feel like I always get these little shares where people will be like, somebody's inviting you to watch their live or whatever. ES is green, $62 now on the long. It's $9.28. Green, $75. I'll zoom you guys in here. I feel like sometimes it just looks blurry. Good morning. Good morning, Adnan. Yes. Let's go. Green, $112 on this ES long. Now, is this focused? Is it focused? Green 125 on this ES long. This is on bold line conservative. It only trades like once or twice per day. Thank you, Jen. I'm going to post that on the announcements. Also, I think Laura usually posts it in the student corner. Let's go. Tap that screen. Good morning. Good morning. If you're new here, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m., all Eastern Standard Time. My name is Lauren. Jen is also on my team. Hi, John. Good morning. Tap that screen. Say good morning. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. It's August 28th at 9:29. The market's going to open in 1 minute. One crazy thing about today, I don't know if it's that crazy, but the London market is closed. They have a bank holiday today. So let's kind of see if we can have some really smooth, great action with them just minding their own business, essentially. Because I think it seems that way. Like, I thought it was going to be tight, but it's been really nice and smooth this morning. So we'll see if we continue that up. Thanks, Jen. Yep, this is a fully automated algorithm. It trades for you in the futures market.
Order submitted.
What else? Bold line NQ conservative is also back in a long. So we'll see if this
Order
long plays
canceled.
out for ES and NQ. NQ already striked that with a small loss. We'll see what happens here. Hi, good morning. Please tap that screen, share the live. Jen, if you share, if you're on one of yours and you can push the share and then just touch all the people on the TikTok thing, that would be awesome too. Yeah, so let's see how our day goes. I'm already green $600 overnight, and I actually missed a few of the gold trades on LIS. Gold is 3 for 3 overnight on LIS for $300. Oil is 2 for 2 overnight on zones for $200. Gold this morning on range, which is this, is 1 for 1 for $250. I also have both scalpers on. Look at this. We'll see. I have 2 scalpers on, the one I'm testing and then our regular Santa scalper. ES pushed back up. It's green $112 on this long. Get it. You're going to get it, Daniel. You're going to get it. Let's see. What else? Gold on LIS was 3 for 3, and Q on LIS was 1 for 1, but we don't run that on Mondays, so that one didn't really matter. Oh, NQ Night had a win. It was 1 for 1, and that's about it. So we'll see what happens here. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 and 2 to 3 p.m., all Eastern Standard Time. It's currently 9:31 on August 28th. My name's Lauren. If you want more information, just email us at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Hi, Blaze. How are you? If you're on YouTube, please give a thumbs up and
submitted.
Say hello in the chat. Bold zones, RTY is in a long. We can also take a look at that because I really like the... This is so bright, and you guys are going to kill me, but I really like it. And RTY, well, I can just pull it over so you guys can see it. RTY is in this long. We'll see if RTY hits its target here. Again, I'll put my little info there. It's green $70 right now. ES is green 150, green 85 now on this run up on zones with RTY, green 100.
Target filled.
Target filled on RTY zones. There we go. 1 for 1 on RTY zones. Oil is 2 for 2 on the zones today. ES is green 175 now on this conservative bold line. $175 there. Good morning. If you're new here, make sure you follow and push that bell icon because we go live all the time and you want to make sure you know when we go live. Thanks, Lauren. I'm great. Awesome, Blaze. Carlos, good morning. Please tap those little hearts in YouTube. They're super cute. And if you're in TikTok, please tap that screen. Now almost $300 here on the ES long. Again, this is the first trade of the day on ES conservative. It's one of my favorite setups in the premium group. ES later needs speculative social thing. Oh, okay, cool. Can you delete it? And I will add it. Okay, I did. Can you assign it? Yes. Good morning, good morning. $375 now on this ES conservative. One contract, you can see it, only one contract. So this trade cost me $500, meaning I have to have $500 in my account to take this single trade with one contract. I'm almost 100% on my investment here. $400 now. This is the only trade I'm currently in. Do you teach how to use the trade copier? It's part of the group. So I have a group of almost 300 people, and a lot of them use the trade copier, or they used to use the trade copier. So it's part of the group. I don't physically use the trade copier, so I wouldn't be able to like help you with it. But there's a lot of people in the group that are willing to help and kind of give you a heads up on it. So yeah. And Apex in general has a really great platform, and they have really great support. They have so many informational videos. Also, I haven't seen a sale on Apex yet, and I saw that they extended their resets and their 50% sale till the 31st, which is frustrating. So they might not start their Labor Day sale until the 1st.
Target filled.
ES early already hit target. ES early already hit target. Let's go. Who's running ES early? It hit. Fast, fast, fast. This was one of the ones that was updated. So NQ 1 for 1, ES 1 for 1. We're still in this $500 long on ES bold line. Yes, apples. We need the green apples in the chat. GC 1 for 1, ES 1 for 1, CL 2 for 2, GC overnight 3 for 3. ES Premium conservative line is in this $550 long. Dang, ES, that was quick. We like it quick. We like it in and out so fast. I caught that ES early. Nice, Carlos. I love to hear it. $537 here. ES on bold zones is now also in a long. RTY is in a long here. Let's see if we can push up with RTY on bold range is in a long. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Let's push, push, push. RTY, you can do it. I want to hear that target filled. Let's push, push, push. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Target filled.
Let's go. Target filled on RTY. Let's go. I just made $125 there. I made $187 on ES early. I made ES bold zone is still in the long. Let's go. That's going to hit 2. We're also still in the long of ES conservative on bold line for $500. RTY was fast. ES was even faster. NQ early. We're waiting on NQ early. We haven't had that yet. It's our only baby. Nice, nice, nice. RTY 1 for 1. We need to put some, we need to figure out what RTY is food-wise. Let's go. GC range 1 for 1. ES early 1 for 1. RTY range 1 for 1. No trades on ZB today, so I can't remember the trading end time. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Maybe that can be the orange. Yeah, I like that. RTY is the orange. NQ Santa's green, $540. Wait, my Santa's... Where's my Santa? Oh, did I? No. Oh, I think because maybe his starts earlier. Mine actually hasn't even started yet, so that's probably why. He's in that short. So now on the day I'm green $917 and it's 9:38 a.m. This has been something I've been saying a lot lately. It's like 9:37, I'm up 1,000. 9:38, I'm up 900. Like this has just been super common lately and it's amazing. Hey Laura, make sure you guys in YouTube hit that thumbs up. If you can't see the thumbs up, that means you need to rotate your phone in the regular way, up and down, and then the thumbs up will be underneath. Anyone get approved on funding trading micros only without trade copier? I'm sure, but most people in the group trade minis. Because the risk is manageable. If you're running a $50,000 Apex account, the risk is manageable for sure. Hi, Tony. Look at that healthy breakfast, Jen. We got orange juice, we got apples, we got waffles, bacon, and eggs. Hey, Jerome. Jerome, do you see? We already hit RTY. We already hit golds. We already hit ES.
Order submitted.
NQ Knight already hit. Scalper. Now I'm in a trade on Scalper. I'm in a shorty short on Santa. Thumbs up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And hit those little hearts. Do you guys see these? They're so cute. You guys might not see it. So in the corner here, there's like this thing. And you can push like hearts. It's kind of like what people do on like live streams or like, but I think maybe if you're on your phone, maybe they don't have that. I don't know. There's 22 of you in YouTube and there's only 11 likes. Please hit that thumbs up. It's super helpful. All right, where are we at with, oh, we might be ready to take some eggs. Some eggs might be ready. Might be ready in a minute. Let's see. I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. And I'm in this short on Scalper.
Order submitted.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're in an eggs trade. Eggs, 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 eggs. I'm hungry.
Target filled.
Target filled. Target filled. Who got that? We need eggs in the chat. Let's go. Who said? Daniel said he was going to pass an account if he hit his eggs this morning. This is Ninja Trader. You have to use Ninja Trader if you want to use my fully automated algorithm. Let's go. Eggs, 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 eggs. Serving up eggs.
Order submitted.
Popping up a little bit here. I hope everyone hit that. ES on Bold Line is still in that long for $262. Nope. So, Jared, that needs to go to Irma. That needs to go to Irma, and he's going to come back down here. For anyone that didn't hit, let's go.
Order filled. So
now on the day, let's see. Green, $1,017 on the day. Y'all trade both ES and NQ at the same time? Yes, we trade, and we also trade RTY and YM. We trade a whole bunch of things at the same time. And gold and ZB, which is the treasury bond. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Got what I came for. Glad to be back. Yes, Adnan, didn't I tell you? Listen, all you got to do is listen to me. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. So let's go through what has traded so far today. NQ Night, 1 for 1. Gold overnight, 3 for 3. Did CL? No, CL didn't take any trades last night. And then this morning, gold morning was 1 for 1 for $250. NQ early is 1 for 1. ES early, 1 for 1. RTY, 1 for 1. Meaning it took one trade and it profited on that one trade. It hit the target. So, and then ES, this was green like $550 at one point. This is ES line conservative. The only thing red on the day is NQ line conservative, which I don't think many people are running because we have so many NQ setups on range and zones that they would probably rather pick those. My name rhymes with Brandon. Andon. Oh, that makes it so much easier. I know I always think it's like Adnan. Andon. Okay, I'm definitely going to remember that now. That's a good way to tell people. Love back after 2 years. And now up. Yes, let's go. Came back after 2 years. I'm making money. That's all that matters. I'm green $1,000 and I still have a bunch of strategies that could trade later today or now. If they want to. Yep, Laura, I'm liking it. Where's my NQ? Hold on one second. That's a nice bounce. Let's go, let's go. I was looking to see if ES was going to take another trade or R2I, but no. Please tap that screen. There are 6,000 likes.
Order submitted.
We need a little more. What are we in? Oh, Scalper. Scalper's not great on Mondays. So, and I'm not running this live, so I don't really care. But this long is something we talked about in the student call. If you're one of my students, I hope you joined that student call this morning because it's already paying off. And it's super valuable every single day. I'm trying to figure out which one to stay on here. ES doesn't matter. R2Y doesn't matter at this point. Ooh, look at that gold run. Look at that run back up. That's nice. Nice job, Jason. I'm proud of you. Super, super proud. Well, I'll just put ES line back up because it's back in the positive. Well, I don't know if it ever went negative. Maybe it went to break even. $262, $800. Nice job, Laura. Look at my students getting this. Look at my students getting the play called out from this morning call. Look at this. Laura made $800. She said, who's in at 9:43? Beast, I'm in. Jason, I'm in. Reggie,
Order
me.
filled.
$800 in 2 minutes. Look at Jason, you. Let's rock. Jason added a picture. I love it.
Order submitted.
Nice job, Jason. I like that picture. I might even turn off Scalper because I feel like it just distracts me thinking that there's something happening, but there's actually nothing happening. Does that make sense? And yeah, it was this one. Just close it.
Order filled.
All right. All right, I'm green $1,017 on the day. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 and 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yes. Nice job, students. I'm super proud of you. Also, Bold Chop, NQ Chop was 1-for-1 early this morning. ES Chop was 1-for-1. Thank you, Irma. People are already posting in results. Let's look at those. This was this morning. John made $600 essentially across all of his accounts. I had made $605 when I woke up, and now I'm at $1,100. William, every little step I take, I get money and go. I'll do a little manual now. Again, $125, $50 across all of his accounts. Got past 53K, now just need 3 more days. Nice job, Daniel, and all of those Apex accounts. Michael, student morning call was gold. NQ, thank you. $600, $700 on all of these. I'm not sure what this $3,200 is. That might be a cash account. John, done for the day. Great Monday. Lauren, spot on again as usual. Thank you. Thank you, John. Listen, I'm not naturally a cocky person unless I'm joking, but I've been doing this for a really long time and I just understand NQ and I feel like I understand what's going to happen, and that's what I tell my students every single morning. I just give them a breakdown of the market and how it's most likely going to play out. Nice, Robinson. Love to see it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. There's 27 of you in the live, but only 15 likes. So John made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. $12,000 on the day, and these are all, I think these are PA accounts and these are maybe APAC. I'm not sure. Maybe I could be wrong. Regardless, we got to put some little student emojis. ES is green $400 now again. Again, this is the same initial trade from before. It has not changed up. It's the same trade from before the market opened, honestly. That's when this trade started. Locked up profit on the morning student call. Thanks, Lauren, out here changing lives. I'm going to need Laura to start to crop her pictures so we don't have all of this. The next thing I'm going to teach Laura is how to crop pictures instead of, and she already knows how to trade. She's killing the trading. Now I need to show her how to crop a picture. She's probably going to hear me say this too and then go back and do it. Look at Tim. Tim made $2,700. How does it work? You send us stock pick? No, these are not stocks at all. These are futures. I use NinjaTrader only. You have to use NinjaTrader if you want to use my auto trading algorithm. I trade futures in the futures market, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell, gold, oil, all of that. If you want more information, just email us at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I give you, when you sign up, you're leasing the algorithms from me, and I send you the algorithm file. You upload it to your NinjaTrader, and then it trades for you on the charts that you choose based off of the setting spreadsheet that I give you when you sign up. So when you sign up, you're given access to the social platform, which is kind of what I'm showing you here. Look at Bonton, student call, thanks Lauren. He's in like Germany and he does this every single day with me. Like it's insane. $500 across 20 accounts, $10,000. Easy, 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 easy. All right, so this is Slack, which is very similar to Discord. It's not free. You have to be part of the group to be in Slack. So once you sign up, you're added to Slack, and then you're sent the algorithm files in a direct message in Slack. Then you're also sent a welcome message that has the setting spreadsheet. The setting spreadsheet is going to say, this is NQ early, and these are the settings. It runs from this time to this time. This is the target. This is the stop loss. This is the win rate. This is the risk, all of that. So you get that information when you sign up, and then you choose what you want to run based off of, again, that information. What is the risk per trade, per contract? What time does it trade? If it trades overnight and maybe you don't like that, you don't run any of the overnight setups. So it kind of just works like that. And then you're part of the group. The group is where we chat and kind of post our results, just like you're seeing here. We have a new chat thread every single day. So if I go to chat, we have helpful questions. We have Apex questions, regular questions. We have the student corner if you're a student, helpful info, and then announcements are things that I announce that are important. So these are the threads every day. So Monday, 8/28, there's 80 replies in this current thread. You can see as we go up, last week, 166, whatever. So this is where we chat, but we have an individual thread every day to keep things organized. So then, look at Jerome. Jerome's in the chat. Let's go, Jerome. Dell made $120 on all of his accounts. I love it. I love to see it. Who's doing this? Jen, are you doing these? I love it. Thank you, Jen, for helping me because I'm on my mouse and you know it's not ideal. We need some green apples. A lot of people were taking the early ES, which I love. I love it. It's fast. It's fun. Speaking of ES, it's pulling back a bit here on that. Shout out Chop. I've been shouting about Chop for 3 months. I love it. No, it's true. Chop is so good and so easy. Let's get some thumbs up. Let's get some hearts in YouTube. There are 27 of you. If you have any questions, let me know. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Make sure you follow us and send an email if you want more information. My admin, Amy, will respond to you as soon as possible. NQ early hit, tested with the MNQ. With it, all went well. Very good, Griffey. Yep, you can run both NQ and MNQ at the same time on the same strategy because they are different products on the exchange. So you have the ability to do that. And obviously the risk on MNQ is a lot smaller, but it's just giving you a bit more money. We're running strategies that have a win rate on the year of 2023 at 98, 99%. Why wouldn't you take less risk and add the MNQ, say 3 or 5 of them, to that threshold? You know, and I've reduced my sizing on ES because London was closed today with my ES early, but I should have had like another $150. So I would be green $1,200 on the day. But I'm not mad because I'm green $1,017 on the day, and that was by 9:38 a.m. 9:38. I come to my desk at 9 a.m. to have my call with my students. The market opens at 9:30, and I already made $1,000 by just turning on my algorithms last night. I turn them on at night. I don't touch them again, and they make me moolah, moolah, moolah day after day. Happy Monday. Back to the CZ. Let's go. What time is it? It's 9:54, and that's the thing. We've been getting so much action in the first 5, 6, 7 minutes. I could honestly be done with the live stream every day at 10 a.m., but I know you guys like to see more. But the thing is, like, so many trades have already happened that there probably won't be much more action in the next 30 minutes. But we'll hang out. If you have questions, put them in the chat. I'd love to answer them. Did you mean Monday or Money Monday? Money Monday Monday. Laura must have me on mute. I'm gonna send her a picture and say, I'm gonna teach you how to draw. Next thing, I'm teaching you how to use snipping tool or how to crop a picture. She's gonna be like, listen girl, I don't care. I don't have the heart on YouTube and I'm on my desktop. Oh, that's weird. Carlos has it. Because he always pushes it. Laura's on her iPad. Yeah, so if I take a screenshot, like on my iPad or on my phone, if there's a whole bunch of dead space, I then just go to the photo itself and I push the crop button, and then I'll like pull it down or pull it up to cut out the excess of the picture. But I'm also anal, so... Laura said, the great thing about futures is that you can literally trade on the go once you know what you're doing. She said the student morning call is 100% on point every morning. Oh, she said, let me sign up for the photo editing course, please. She actually heard me. She's green and she doesn't care. Exactly. No, I'm on YouTube. Aww. That's so funny. She had to, see, and she's on the go, helping out her family, making $800 in one trade because I taught her how to trade, how to manually trade, and then she joins. Reggie made $925, and he's done good job. Very nice, Reggie. And so she made $800 while helping out a family member. It's crazy. All you had to do was join the morning call. Big Boss has said, I love the student call. Yes, the student call is fire. I didn't even look to see if we had any reports today, Jen. It seems that way. All right. Who's new here? Who has questions? No reports. All right. That's cool. That's cool. Are we getting close to any other early? No. ES range is... This didn't close back in. No. I don't think so. I guess we'll see in a few minutes. In 3 minutes. R2I, nowhere near the range. GC is done for the day. ZB. What time does ZB end? Could ZB take a trade here? It might be done. Oh, no. 10:35. No, it can trade. We might get a short from ZB. We need a little... Ignore my typos. How much it cost for class? How long is it? I am new. Sure. So the digital mentorship is 16 hours worth of videos. So you are sent the videos and you watch them in your own time as fast or as slow as you want. And you have access to those for life. Then you get 1 free month in the group for the student call, which happens every morning, 8:45 to 9:15. You get access to manual alerts, which are from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. on ESNQ, gold, and oil. And then you also get access to the student channel and the chop zone every morning, which is so good. And keep dropping hard. It was a great short from 15,108 down to... yeah, so we actually took the long right around that area, 15,040. But congrats on your short. I think Santa took that short and Mike got that off of a Santa scalper, but he has it turn on early. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We're still in this long of ES. This is the initial trade. Did anyone fill out no RTY NQ early? Irma must be very busy. ES early.
Order submitted.
Oh. The Tuesday, Thursday scalpers in a short. So I don't give a lot of weight to this, but it's good to just see. If you want more information on the digital mentorship or on the auto trading algorithm, which is what you're seeing here, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. How do you feel about using the algo with multiple prop
Order
firms?
submitted.
Miguel, I think that's fine. If that prop firm works for you, then for sure. ES early's in another...
Order filled.
ES early! Where are the eggs at? I mean...
Order submitted.
The apples. ES early. 2 for 2. Let's go. We need eggs in the... we need apples in the chat. Green apples in the chat. Apple... And I was wondering, because I wasn't sure. I was like, did this close back in? I guess it did. I guess... Oh. Well, now it looks a little different than it did a second. But yeah, we got that long. Let's go, ES. So that's like $700 just on ES on the day. I'm now green $1,200, but easily would have been another $300, so $1,500 on the day. I love your energy. Oh, thanks. It's all the cheerleading. Green apples. Okay, lavender, yay, done for the day, all green. Also got me a little bit of the student call on top. We'll have 3 or 4 more PAs by the end of the week. Nice job, K Lavender. Very nice. I was going to mention something, but I don't know what. Oh, if you want to do multiple, the one thing that I found out, you can't have multiple rhythmic connections on the same NinjaTrader. And if you have to use a secondary NinjaTrader, then you would have to have a second subscription. So it's probably best to just focus. If your other funded program is through Rhythmic, then you would have to have a second subscription. Miguel, does that answer your question? Please hit that thumbs up, tap that screen, tap, tap, tap. That ES trade was just seconds. Yeah, sometimes they're like 1 second. Oh, ZB's in a short. ZB is in a short. Let's put Gramps up on the screen here. Our little man. He decided to show up to work. We're in this short here. What is the
Order
VPS
submitted.
used? Yeah, so the VPS, number one, gives you a very strong and secure connection. The second thing it's used for is if you're on the go, you can access your NinjaTrader and your trades from your iPad or your laptop or your iPhone. You can't do that if you're not using a VPS because NinjaTrader is a desktop platform and you can only be on one computer at a time. But the VPS allows you to connect to the VPS while on the go. Does that make sense? So it's a really strong, secure connection.
Order filled.
And then it's also the ability to see your NinjaTrader and your trades and the algo on the go. That is the VPS. And it's a lot faster. We find that your execution of trades is actually a lot faster and better with a VPS than it is with
Order submitted.
your regular home internet.
Target
Also,
filled.
oh my gosh, RTY zones, no, YM zones just took a trade and hit target also in seconds. Nice, nice, nice. Down here, YM. I can't even see this. I have to load more of this. There we go, there we go, there we go. YM took a short and hit target. VPS is definitely the way to go. If you don't have VPS, what often happens with NinjaTrader is you get disconnected overnight Is this kind of funny? This is NQ early and
Order
night.
submitted.
Do you see this, guys? How it went there and it came right back out. That's crazy. What's going on? ZB's in a trade. ES is still in the long. Scalper is actually in a $200 trade. A $200 short here. Up top. This is the scalper I'm testing, which shows that it's overall mostly green just on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I wouldn't normally run this live today too. Yes, ES was 2 for 2, NQ early was 1 for 1, gold was 1 for 1, RTY was 1 for 1. Let's go. We need some green apples in the chat. We need some love. Yes. We have an updated picture from Miss Laura. 2K in the day from Miss Laura. Let's go. $2,000. Kay Lavender, she's going to have 4 or 3 more PAs by the end of the week. I'm going to have to update this now.
Order filled.
I'm going to have to also update the spreadsheet with an ES. Early had 2 trades. All right, so let's go. Speaking of ES, let's go back to ES Online Conservative. Do we really need a VPS for this? Does it need to be strong VPS or something cheap? No, so the VPS that I suggest is just chart VPS, and it's $50 a month. If you want to do, like, some people have upgraded to the $80 plan, or some people have done the dedicated server. I think they have, like, their own server, something like that. So TS, it's totally up to you. You could start without a VPS, but then if you end up getting a VPS, you have to move everything from your PC to your VPS. Also, if you only have a Mac computer, you have to get a VPS because NinjaTrader does not support Mac. It only is available on PCs. So I hope that answers your question. I've traded down vacation at my job, and in general, VPS is the way to go. Yeah. What I typically do, I like to leave the house and socialize and just get out in the world. So I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, as you guys know. And then I leave the house. I take my laptop with me. I go to have some lunch, or I go to a coffee shop, and I can pull up my VPS and I can see how the algos are doing. I can see kind of just everything that's happening. So it's super convenient when I go on vacation. The only place you can't open up VPS is on an airplane because the connection, even if you get Wi-Fi, like if you pay for internet on an airplane, that internet is going to your laptop and it's not going to the VPS. So that's the only time in my whole life that I've not been able to access the VPS. Everywhere else you can access it as long as you have internet. Thank you, Irma. Oh, we have some more people
Order
posting
submitted.
in results. Kyle K, update, too easy with the mentorship and learning how to read the live flow. Quick in and outs add up. Now I'm done
Order
for
canceled.
the day. $2,150. Nice job, Kyle. He's one of my students. He's been practicing discipline. I'm proud of him. Jared, done for the day. This is supposed to say GC. GC, LIS, NQ night, NQ early. Look at that. $1,000, $1,600, $1,500 across all of his accounts. He's got to add that ES early in there now. Jerry, do you need that ES early? Let's go. Tap that screen. We have 8,000 likes. We need to at least get to 10,000, right? Today is a huge, huge, huge day. But people get so used to it because we've been having so many huge days lately. A scalper's in a short. ES is still in this long. I'm going to have to get something decent then. So, yep, you can do that. But again, $50 a month is not too bad. I'm going to delete this one and post my new one. Where's my... Oh, I don't know why I did that. I'm not on the right tab yet.
Order canceled.
So I withdrew about $5,000 last week from my cash account, and I'm still, after today, sitting at $13,100. So, and you guys know I always like to hang out around 10,000, so it's been a nice few weeks. Does the VPS location matter? No. Some people are in Philly, some are in Chicago, some are in New York. You can specify if you care to, but no. Super, 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 super. Van said from 18 hours, 7 days a week to 5 minutes a day, pretty much. I'm going to be honest. I wake up every single morning still not believing this is really happening in my life. Jeffrey said, I can't believe I look forward to Mondays now. He said, it's still a dream. I can't thank this team enough. Van, we love it. I feel you. Thank you, Lauren. Thank you, guys. Listen, you guys believe in me. You believe in the product. That makes me very happy. Because I want you guys, obviously, to be making money, but some people just don't believe it. They just think it's like not legit. All right, green on this ZB short. Who was waiting for Gramps to come through? He's slowly making his way down. Also, and I can make this a little smaller so we can see that at the same time. We're still in this ES conservative long. I might just pull out the NQ one because... Oops. Nope. I feel like it's not really worth it. I'm testing my algos on Sim. No VPS yet. Do I have to set up all the algos? Yes. So Robinson, I can help you copy and paste the strategies over from the folders on the desktop, but you're essentially going to have to do everything again. Like you're going to have to do the machine ID again because you're going to have a different machine ID. You're going to have to do the username and password. You're going to have to do the auto close. Like all of the things that you did originally, you're going to have to do again. Yeah, it's a whole new setup and you have to send Amy your stuff. So yeah, Robinson. So if you prefer to just wait, that VPS, and when you sign up for the VPS, it takes like 6 hours to be created. So if you want to just, and then kind of get that set up, it might be the better plan.
Order submitted.
Was I missing? No Monday, Tuesday, and then no Thursday on Tuesday. Oh, I need to do this. Monday, Tuesday. Okay, cool. Who made the algo? I did, Cody, and I have several of them. So you're currently seeing like 6 different algos. This is bold line. This is bold range. This is bold zones. This is scalper algo up here. This is scalper. I've bought a second Apex account. Are the settings the same as the first one? No. If you have... Oh, it depends, PDL. If Marco knows you were upgrading, like if you said I want to upgrade, he would have kept everything the same. Yes. Yep. So Cody, you're going to probably think this is crazy, but our results for this entire year are around anywhere from 80 to 99% on the entire year. So I can show you, if I can minimize this, I can show you a few of them. Hold on one second. Which is why we have 300 people in the group shouting. Nope, it's not a repaint, but nice job, IDK. Continue thinking that. This is NQ Night, 98% on the year. Drawdown, $1,200. This is ES Night. This is
Order filled.
NQ Early, 1,600 drawdown, 96%. The first, you don't blow a VPS. I think you're talking about Apex. VPS is this. VPS is your platform that you're using. This is VPS. So yeah. I even have, let me show you what Terrence sent me yesterday, because he has a program where he can merge them together. I don't have that program. So this is NQ early and NQ later, 91% on the entire year. Drawdown is larger at $3,000 for the entire year, but then $32,000 profit. And this is on one contract. But I know people in the group like a higher win rate, so I finagle it to be that way, essentially. Like I figure out the way to still make good money, especially if you put them together. So when you put ES early, RTY, and then NQ early together, they each average about, say, 600 to 900 per month on one mini. So yeah, if you only trade one, then you might be like, oh, I'm only making $1,000 a month. But if you trade 3 of them, then you're making, $3,000 a month. And then if you're using Apex and you have 10 accounts or you have 20 accounts, you're then making $30,000 to $60,000 a month. Like, it's insane. Yes, William, very good. William, did you take any videos? Because there were so many opportunities. Apex allows it. Yep. It did 40 funded accounts, but he was worried using your bot. So there's no way to have 40 funded accounts, Miguel. There's only a way to have 20 funded accounts. You can't possibly have 40 funded accounts. The max with Apex is 20 funded accounts. But you can have 20 funded accounts and then 20 evaluation accounts if you want. I've traded, yes. But Apex does allow, even though in their rules they say something along the lines of, auto trading not allowed, it is allowed if you continue to read the terms and conditions, because it says if you have the ability to close the trade, if you have the ability to move the stop loss, if you have the ability to move the target, then you're able to manage the trade. If you're able to manage the trade, then Apex is totally fine with you using my auto trading software. Does that make sense? We're still in this short of ZB. It's just at break even. And we're still in this long of ES, $312. So as you can see here, I was going to go to ES and just show you. As you can see here on ES, this is my target. I could take this and move it if I wanted to. I could take my stop loss and I could move it up if I wanted to. Ooh, ZB, green $62. I could also open up the chart trader and just push close. This is NinjaTrader 8, and I'm using the 8.0.2, I think. $93 on ZB down here at the bottom. Keep an eye on him. He's a slow little old man, but we love him. He's so cute. Look at him saying hello. Hello. Hi, cute little old man. Yeah, but if you busted an Apex account, well, maybe you left and you came back, then if you don't have access to the old VPS, then you won't be able to use the settings. But if you have access to the old VPS, then you can. But you shouldn't be needing a new VPS if you busted an Apex account. Like, do you know what I'm saying? The VPS is separate. I don't know if that's making sense, but. My name is Lauren. We go live. Right. They're totally separate things. I changed the Apex account on the setting. That's all I need, right? I don't know what you're asking. Apex account on the setting. What? I'm not sure. If you're in the group, please reach out to Irma. Does the bot come with a tutorial? Yes. When you join, you get a step-by-step welcome video. You also get hands-on approach with my 2 admins, Irma and Amy. So the VPS is your computer. That's essentially what it is. It is a built-in computer. This is a computer. This is my real computer in front of me. This is my virtual computer that VPS created for me. Then I download NinjaTrader on the VPS, and then I create all my strategies. If I traded an Apex account on this VPS and I busted the Apex account, that doesn't matter. I would just go and buy another Apex account, and then it would show up in NinjaTrader. As long as you're logged into your Apex with your username and password, all of your new accounts will show up. And then you don't have to change anything but changing the account that you're using for
Order
that
filled.
strategy. So then if you want to turn on NQ early or NQ late or ES early, you would choose the new account instead of choosing your old account, which is busted. But that's just in the strategy itself, in the drop down. When you choose which account you want to use, you would just have to choose the correct account. Because if you chose a busted account, it just won't trade. All right, so ZB, which is the 30-year Treasury bond, is in a short, green $94. Everything else is green today. Everything is green today. Gold is 1 for 1. NQ early is 1 for 1. ES early is 2 for 2. RTY is 1 for 1. NQ night was 1 for 1. Gold night was 3 for 3. Am I missing anything else? Oh, YM and RTY zones are both 1 for 1. Oil zones were 2 for 2. Hey Lauren, it's Brenton. I'm showing a friend the algo. What's ES early win percentage year to date? I will tell you. It's also in the spreadsheet, Brenton, but I will
Order
tell you.
submitted.
ES early. Oh, I gotta scroll down through NQ. ES early is 91.87% on the year, and it makes, with one mini, it makes $921 per month. $921 per month with one mini. I'm simming NQ late and early. I lost connection at 1,000, but got it. What? William, why are you simming NQ late and early? Are you brand new? Oh, I think you are brand new. I think I saw you sign the disclaimer. But NQ late and NQ early is the bread and butter. Oh, 10 a.m. So are you not using a VPS? You should never be losing connection. If you're using a personal internet connection, that's why you would be losing, you could lose connection off of that. This is why the VPS is so important. So important. Ooh. Look at this drop on CB, $125. Let's go. So that would be, because on VPS, you're never going to lose connection. Never.
Target filled.
What a surprise. ES early is now 3 for 3 on the day. Can we believe it? ES early. We need some apples in the chat. This is the one that Brenton was just asking about. It's 92% on the year, and it makes $921 per month on one mini. I run anywhere from 3 to 5 minis. I'm up $600 on this today. If I had my full sizing, it would be $900 on this one strategy. We need some green apples in the chat. Let's go. Like, come on now. Come on. We're just being showered with gifts today. Let's go back to ZB because ZB is still in this short green $125. There is no strategy that is red today. Not one. Not one. Everything is green. Everything on Bold range is green. I'm up $1,400 on the day. If you don't think paying $500 to try this is worth it, then I'm not sure what to tell you. And if you don't think paying $1,000 a month to make on average, I make on average $1,500 every single day with small sizing, then I don't know what to tell you. There's 300 really smart people in my group that know it's worth it. And then there's a whole bunch of people that are possibly on the internet thinking that there's no way it can be true, but it is true. Try it out. $500 for 21 days. That's the paid trial. Absolutely worth it. $500 for 21 days. You get to run the algos. You get to see how they work. You get to see people in the group. You get to just experience the whole thing. I had to go handle a quick little task, so I missed a few, but I'm green for the day. Adnan, you shouldn't, or Andon, you shouldn't be touching anything. I think I need to come over there and literally rip the mouse out of your hands because there is no reason anyone should be turning off the algorithm. I have very strict rules, and those rules are turn on the algo and do Freaking nothing else. Literally nothing else. This is the rule. Turn on the algo after 5 p.m. Number 2, do nothing else. Don't touch it. Do nothing. Nothing else. Because this is how people don't succeed as well as others. Because they get in their own way. They turn off the algorithm. They get scared. Like, that's not how this works. This is 100% hands-free. You turn it on at night. You go to bed. It potentially makes you money. You wake up. It's making you money. And you are doing nothing. You're sleeping. You're eating, you're going to work, you're going to the gym, you're taking your kids to school. It does everything for you. It is 100% hands-free after you turn it on. No one should be getting in the way. You have to stay out of your own way. Trust the algorithms. It is so true. That is one of the biggest issues. Because then when we have a red day, they also have a red day, but they didn't have the biggest green day that everybody else had. So then you're sitting around and you're like, wait, why am I like break even on the week and everybody else is green $3,000 on the week? And it's like, come on. Stop touching the algorithms. Stop getting in your own way. Especially because we are now going into quarter 3 and quarter 4, where quarter 4 has the best results year over year over year. The volatility is there. There's so many people trading. We're pushing into the end of the year. Like, it's just smooth and amazing. So, no, these are futures. I don't trade forex, but very similar. Green 400, and so we just had to be patient for ES here. This
Order
is still
submitted.
the first trade from like 9:15 this morning. Scalpers in a trade. The only trades right now are ES line, which has been in the single trade since like 9:15, and then ZB down below. Does the algo have stop losses? Yes, this is a stop loss. It says stop right there. This is a target. The stop loss on ZB is a bit further, so you can't see it on this picture, and this is the target. Why did you say NQ early? Is it coming? Oh, it's back in the box.
Order filled.
Yeah, so see the scalper that I'm testing that you should only run on Tuesday, Thursday. Today's Monday and it's red $500. And so my data is ringing true. Green $500 on this ES long. Yes, so you have the option to have 3 targets, but we currently only run 1 target because we like the 98-99% win rate that we get from those. You can obviously just increase your sizing. Carlos, NQ early, ES early, and manual. $1,500 across all of his accounts. Nice job, Carlos. Look at Bonton. Updated $700, $800 across 20 accounts. 20 Apex accounts. Not a beginner at all. Oh, no, you don't. Yes, it's fully back tested. Guys, we've been running these for years. I've been doing this since 2020. We have about 300 members in the group. KS, if you want more information, just email me. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Look at down bad, and these are all PA accounts. 2,000, 3, 4, 3, 6, 9, 13, $13,000 on the day. Yeah, the only difference is obviously the win rate's going to be less if you use a target 2 or a target 3, but then your overall potential of making more is there. People in the group, especially because a lot of them are new to algo trading or trading in general, they like the first target, they want to get in and out, and then they're happy and they celebrate and whatever. Usually in crypto, drawdowns are a part of the course. Yes, that's true. But also, KS, another thing to note, a lot of people in my group use funded programs, so Apex, Lilu, UProfit, OneProfit, and in those programs you have to be careful of your drawdown, so that's another reason why we have smaller sizing, but once they can build that cushion on their funded accounts, like several of them have, then they take larger sizing or they incorporate the second target and the third target. I hope that answers your question. If you want more information, just email me. Does this work with TradingView? No. It only works with NinjaTrader. If you want more information, you can email me, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. No. Oh, maybe it's an email. We trade at night, we trade in the morning, we trade in the afternoon. So the futures market is open 23 hours a day. 23 hours a day, and we take advantage of all of that. We have trades that trade at 6 p.m. We have other setups that run at 9 p.m. We have other setups that run at 2 a.m. for the London pre-open. We have setups that run at the U.S. Open. We go live twice a day, every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Can't believe it's already 10:30. I'm glad I stayed on because we got some more action with that ES. It's been really good. Basically what you're saying is we making money. Pretty much, Tony. Tony, you know this firsthand. We can making money all day long. Okay? Okay? And then you have these conservative setups that can take all day to get to target, but it's really nice. It's real nice. ES zones
Order
back
submitted.
to entry. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, ES zones is back to entry. I'm seeing that here, and now it's positive $12. It's 10:30. I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you guys have a great day. I am green. $1,392 on the day. Big, 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 big. And I've done nothing. I've done nothing but set up my algorithm while I was at my mother's house having Sunday night dinner last night. I was literally enabling the algorithms while on my phone at my mother's house. When and how did you all come up with apples? Jen said we needed something healthy. RTY range is oranges for orange juice. Is an orange. Again, we'll be live again. I can't claim the day at all. Michael, if you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We'll be live again at 2 p.m. Jen will be live at 2 p.m.
Order canceled.
And it's got to be a green apple. Green apples. ES zones is still in this long. ES bold line is still in this long. And that's it. ZB is still in the short. It's just at even. Make sure you follow and hit that little bell icon. It will notify you when I go live. The picture of the old man reminds me of Mr. Herbert from Family Guy. Jen found it. He's so cute. Like, he's so cute. Smooth money. It's so smooth. That's what we like. We like those quick grabs. Take our money. Get to the next. And, move on. You're welcome, Blaze. All right, guys. Have a great day. I'm going to jump off of here again. Let's just go through really quickly what hit today. NQ Night. NQ Night was the only one that actually didn't trade. Or no, ES Night didn't. NQ Night 1 for 1. Gold overnight was 3 for 3. We got the little action here with ZB. Gold overnight was 3 for 3. And then this morning, gold early was 1 for 1. RTY was 1 for 1. YM was 1 for 1. RTY on zones was 1 for 1. NQ early was 1 for 1. ES early was 3 for 3. And is that it? Is that everything? Did I say? Yeah, I said RTY. And ZB is currently in this short. ES line is currently in that long. ES zones is also in a long. But yeah, so many setups. So many setups. So much fun. All right, have a great day. Go enjoy your day. Don't sit in front of the computer. Also, my students got that long that I called from the student call. That was an easy $500 to $1,000. Have a good day, guys. See you at 2 p.m. Jen will be live. How are you so accurate? I don't know. I think I'm a magician. All right, have a good day. Bye. Bye, YouTube. Hit that thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.